In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place order on 1688. We'll walk through the exact process from search to checkout so you can confidently buy products on the 1688 website or app. Start by heading to 1688.com or opening the mobile app. For the best search results, use Chinese keywords if you have them. If you don't, you can use the image search by tapping the camera icon to upload a photo of the product you're looking for. Once your results load, open a product listing that matches what you need. Before you add anything to your cart, review the important details on the listing. Check the minimum order quantity, often called MO, so you know the smallest amount you can purchase. Look at the price tiers to see how the unit price changes with higher quantities. Review the supplier's rating and scan through reviews with photos to get a real sense of the product's quality and consistency. This helps you avoid surprises later. Next, choose your product options. Select the color, size, and style that fit your requirements, then enter the quantity. Watch how the total updates and make sure it aligns with the price tier you're in. When everything looks right, confirm the total price on the page. If you're ready to proceed, click Li Ji Xia Dan, which means order now. If you want to keep browsing and decide later, you can click Jia Rujin Huodan to add the item to your cart. When prompted for shipping, choose your China warehouse or buying agent's address. Double check the province, the city, and the phone number to ensure it's correct, and set it as the default if you'll use it again. Keep in mind that 1688 does not ship internationally, which is why you'll need a domestic address inside China. For payment, you have two main paths. Option 1 is paying with Alipay. This requires a verified Alipay account connected to a Chinese bank or card. Option 2 is using a buying agent, which is the safest route for beginners. Simply copy the product link and send it to your agent. They'll place the order, pay the supplier, receive the goods at their warehouse, and then arrange international shipping to you. Before finishing, review your order summary carefully. Confirm the price and the address, then click Tijiao Ding Dan, which means submit order, and complete the payment. Your order is now placed. To track it, go to Wode Ding Dan or My Orders. Open the specific order to view the shipping status, the tracking number, and any messages from the seller. That's all you need to successfully place an order on 1688.